Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. I want to show you one of my new listings. Kind of excited about this boat. This is a really clean 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. So the 270 Dauntless, by far in the 27 to 28 foot range, has been one of Whaler's most popular models. Such a popular model, I actually own one myself. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat. This particular owner added a lot of upgrades to it, and this boat's highly optioned out. So when you're looking at the other boats in the marketplace, just make sure that you're comparing apples to apples. So what we'll do, we'll kind of start up here. One thing I really like about the boat, it's a 9-foot beam, carries 152 gallons of fuel. So at cruise, with the 350 Verado, you're around 28 to 30 miles an hour. Right around a 350, 360 cruise range. So hull design, so this has an AccuTrack hull, so it's a very deep V right here. Raising strakes run the entire length of the boat, and between the hull and the deck, it's all closed cell foam, aka Unsinkable. As far as options go, so this is going to be your blue gel coat. The boat was recently detailed, very sharp. We've got our stainless steel rub rail with white insert. And in the front, you'll see this is a mount for a troll motor. So the boat comes with a Minn Kota Tarova troll motor, iPilot, and we'll get into that in just a little bit. Now, another thing that the owner put on it, which you don't see on it now, but it's a beautiful sunshade that hooks to the hardtop, has 2 stainless steel poles that come up here, and it's white, and it's very nice. So let's kind of get into the boat a little bit. This particular boat has the Pro Anglers package, which gives you the jack plate you see right here. So if you do want to get in the backcountry, you can. This boat handles itself extremely well, offshore and inshore. So he also added these power poles. From the factory, they actually installed it right here. He had these done about 5 months ago. So the power poles are super nice, especially if you're pulling up to a sandbar or something. There's really no need to throw a stern anchor. And as far as power, we've got the optional white Verado 350. Horsepower to weight ratio is excellent with this motor, just short of 92 hours. So in the back, of course, self-bailing cockpit. We've got our trim tabs back here, underwater lights, which are right here, which is also an option, very nice. Transducers right here, but this is what most people love about the boat. This is called a swim patio, aka dive door. So of course this boat does have it, and keep in mind when the boat's new, it's about a $16,000 option. So when you're looking at boats that don't have it, if this is important to you, this is a really nice feature. So if you're just, swimming and stuff like that, you've got a ladder that goes right here. One thing I'll point out as well, we talked about it earlier, we've got our light blue gel coat right here. Underneath the hardtop is also the light blue. But the gel coat's in very nice condition. The interior is very clean, specifically the vinyls, very nice shape. So let's go inside and we'll take a look at a couple more things. It's a great family boat, it's a great fishing boat, it's a great cruising boat. And of course, as I mentioned, I liked it so much that I bought one myself. So it gives you a lot of seating all the way around, which we'll get into. This one has, now this folds down right here, and you've got rod holders all across the back, which comes in very handy if you're running offshore or something of the sort. This is going to be the charger for main batteries. This is going to be the charger for the troll motor batteries. Now, this owner took the batteries out because they never used the troll motor, but they could easily be put back in. In the back, we have a raw water washdown, and can't forget about our freshwater washdown, which is right here. And I believe it carries like 20 gallons of fresh water. And of course, we talked about this, very cool. This one also has the deluxe leaning post. This is the most popular option right here, because it gives you a huge bait well. You've got fresh water right here. You've got rod holders right here. Also comes with the Yeti cooler, the 35 quart cooler. And when this pops up, it makes it very comfortable. The seating back here for passengers as well as up front. And lots of storage. So currently, this is going to be our ladder for the swim patio. These are just some extra fenders and stuff like that. And our chargers are inside there. Moving to the Helm. So these are some of the upgrades that the client did. Number one, He added radar to the boat. So these are going to be your Raymarine hybrid touch. So you've got GPS plotter, fish finder, as well as radar. He also added a newer searchlight, which we've got right here. So if you're coming in, at night or something like that, that works out good. And this little guy right here, Psionics, is the manufacturer. That's a low light camera. So if you're coming in at night and, you'll be able to pick up docks and things along that line. So once again, it's just for safety purposes. We've got a tilt wheel right here, stainless steel wheel, and digital throttle and shift right here with our Mercury. And this is going to be our control right here for our jack plate that goes up and down. Everything's laid out very, very nice on the dash. Everything's very easy to get to. The leaning post, super, super comfortable. They put the step right here. So if it's just two of you, that works out really nice. A lot of times what I do, I normally stand up anyways. Underneath here, so one thing I like, they put the battery switch right here, out of the elements and stuff like that. What you're seeing here, this is an enclosed, of course, the enclosed head. So this is a porta potty, but it also has dockside discharge, and that is going to be our bow table. The leg for the bow table is actually in the back of the boat, but it gives you a tremendous amount of room in there. Headroom is very, very good. What a lot of people love about this boat, so it has lots of seating up here, a very nice lounger here as well, and there's a canvas cover for the top right here, as well as this. This is our spotlight we talked about, and the Psionics that we talked about. Looks pretty cool, with the powder coat and everything, as well as the blue. So this is what I like. This is lockable storage right here. So you open this up and you have tons of room. So this goes way down in there. The current owner has his personal items in here, but it carries 2 buckets. You can have rods that go into the center console. So tremendous amount of storage for a 27-foot boat. Now moving this way, this is also part of the Pro Anglers package. It gives you a casting platform. So you can have it as a casting platform, or if you just wanted, a bow filler cushion and more room up here, that works out very well. We've got storage underneath all these seats, and this is super popular too. A lot of people like this. So when you're cruising and stuff like that, it's very comfortable up here. You've got cup holders, you've got a rail to hold on to. Now in the front of the boat, it can be used as traditional rod holders, but we've got our big stainless steel poles that come out, and these are going to attach to the hardtop. That's where the bow shade comes from. So this particular one has the ladder in the front, so you can get off the boat in the front, and there's also a ladder on the stern. So this right here, if you don't want to use the troll motor, of course, it's quick release. It just comes right off. This is where the troll motor plugs in. So for a 2019, this boat is in excellent condition. The current owner spent a lot of money in upgrades, but I think the boat's super, super nice. So you can also see the boat on MarineMax.com. You can see it on Boat Trader, Yacht World, Boats.com, and websites like that. So if you'd like any additional information, feel free to give me a call. Oh, and the boat's located at MarineMax in Venice. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw, and my phone number is 941-376-3345, and we're going to be taking the boat to the market right around 139. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you again for your time. Have a great day.